Hello, class 4th B. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are doing fine and healthy at your home or at your place. So, class 4th, as you all know, that we are doing chapter number 9 of our EVS book, which is Changing Families, and we are discussing the assignment question answers. So for today's session we will be discussing assignment question answers that are there on the page number 45 of your assignment booklet, and these question answers have to be done in your notebook. So everyone will do these question answers in their notebook in a beautiful writing. Now moving on the session, let's begin with the session. Question number 1. Give reasons that causes the change in the family. So class, you have to tell me what are the various reasons, or you can say the causes that cause the change in the family, because of which we can see the change in the family. And the answer to this question is, the reasons that causes the change in the family are birth of a baby in the family. So class, when a baby is born, there comes the change in the family. More responsibilities are there. So because of the birth of the baby, there is a change in the family. Next is marriage of the member of the family. So class, we all know that because of the addition of new family member is being added in the family, and because of it also you can say the change is there in the family, or we can say that a member of our family goes to the new house, so again a change in the family can be observed. Next is transfer of one of the members of the family to another city. When any one member of a family transfers to any other city because of their job, then we can see the change in the family. Next is one member leaves the family for job or higher education. So class, everybody has dreams in their life. So sometimes for getting higher education, for getting better education or job, one has to leave his family for his career. Okay, and because of this we can observe a change in the family. And the last one, death of a family member. When any one of our family members dies, there is a change in the family. So these are the certain reasons which causes the change in the family. Next question, write the changes that take place with the arrival of a newborn baby. So class, we have to tell what are the changes that take place when a new baby is born in the house. So class, it is with the arrival of a new baby born, the responsibilities of the family members increase. So class, what happens when a new baby is born? The household responsibilities get increased of each member of the family, and all of them together take care of the baby. So class, every member of the family, like your grandparents, cousins, aunts, uncles, everyone take care of the baby, take care of the newborn baby and share the responsibility. Furthermore class, the attention of the parents also get divided among the children. Yes class, now what will happen, the parents have to give more attention to the newborn baby, so the attention of the parents also get divided among the children. For example class, family will spend her day now planning with her baby sister. So if a baby sister is born, those family members will spend the day playing with the baby, okay, with the baby sister. Her mother will now look after her newborn baby, and along with father, grandmother, uncle will now have to give more time to the new baby. So mother will give more time to the new baby because new babies cannot speak, so mother has to take care of the child as well. Furthermore class, other family members like your father, grandmother, uncles will have to give more time to the baby. So you can see that the responsibilities is being divided among the members of the family, and they will also have to help the mother in taking care of the baby and doing other household works. So class, they have to take care of the baby, and as well as they have to help the mother of the baby in doing the household work. We know that there is so much work in the household, so every member have to help each other. Everyone has to share the responsibilities when the new baby arrives, and it feels very nice and cheerful to have a new baby at the home. So the family members feel so good, happy, cheerful when there is a new baby in the home. Next question: what changes occurs in the family when there is a transfer to a new place? So you have to tell me, class, what are the various changes that occur, that are seen in the family when one members of the family transfer to the new places. The following changes occurs in the family when there is a transfer to a new places, which are: the family members will have to separate and they have to live in two different cities. So class, now what happened when the family is moving to a new place? Their family is being separated. Likewise, we won't be living with our grandparents the way we used to live. Now we are living on the another cities, and our grandparents are living in the another cities with uncles and aunts. So you can see that the family gets transferred or separated, and one family lives in another city and another family lives in another cities. The parents will live at the new place, and hence the parents have to live at a new place, and the children will have to go to a new place and they will make new friends. So now they have moved from one place, so new school, new friends, new culture they will be adopting. They will be making new friends as well. Next question: what is harvest festival? Explained with an example. So we are going to discuss about harvest festival, what it is, and for that we will be sharing lots of example. So class, a harvest festival is an annual celebration that occurs around the year of time of the main harvest of a given region and give thanks to the god. So class, what happened with the harvest festival? Harvest is the annual, or you can say main celebration that occur around the time. So it occurs when the main crop is going to cut, and they thank the god for giving us such a wonderful crop. So harvest means harvesting the crop. So when this crop is going to cut, it comes in a very good way, and they thank the god. They celebrate it with lots of food, they sing songs, they praises god. So this is called your harvest festival. And in India we have lots of harvest festivals. For example, Lohri, Makar Sankranti, Baisakhi, Onam and Pongal. So these are the certain harvest festivals that are found in our country. Okay, so class, everyone, please make sure to watch the video, submit the work on time and revise the chapter. Thank you.